0 10 1 in 1 10 1 10 and 0 ones. Now come to the part A. One box hold 10 pencils, and beside this box we have only one pencil. Means 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 equals to, count with me, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 1 11. The left number is 10 and the right one is ones. 1 10 and 1 ones. Now part B. One box hold 10 pencils. Beside this box we have how many pencils? 1 and 2. 2 pencils. Okay. Now we count all these pencils together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 12. 12. Okay, left number is 10 and right number digit is 1. So left is 1 10 and 2 ones. Now part C. One box hold 10 pencils. Beside this box we have 1 2 3 pencils. Okay, 10 plus 3 means 10 plus 3. Count all these pencils together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 3 13. So the left digit is 10 and the right digit is 1. We have 1 10 and 3 ones. Now all this question is your homework. Come to page number 17. Write the missing numbers. Okay, part A. One box hold 10 pencils, and beside this box we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pencils. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. Now count all these pencils together with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Right here 17. 1 7 17. The right one, the left one is 1 1 10 and the right one is 7 7 ones. Now the part B. One box hold 10 pencils. Okay, 10 plus, beside this box we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 pencils. 10 plus 8. Okay, 10 plus 8. Count all these pencils with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 1 8 18. The left digit is 10 and the right digit is 1. So we have left we have 1 10 and the right side we have 8 ones. Now these two questions is your homework. Come to the question number 3. Write these numbers in the tens and ones. One has been done for you. अब आपने इन नंबर्स को टेंस एंड वंस में करना है. राइट लेफ़्ट साइड पे जो हमारे पास नंबर डिजिट है वो 10 है और जो राइट साइड पे है वो वंस है. लाइक 1 3 13 मीन्स के 1 10 एंड 3 ones. 3 ONES ones. 1 4 14. 1 10 and 4 ones. ONES ones. 20. 2 10 and 0 1. Now these 4 questions your homework. Come to page number 18. Write the number that is okay. 1 is already done for you. 1 10 and 2 ones. अब आपने आपके पास टेंथ एंड वंस लिखे में आपने नंबर लिखना है खुद। किस तरह 1 10 and 5 ones, 1 and 5, 1 10 and 5 ones, like this, 1 10 and 9 ones, 1 10 and 9 ones. Now these 4 questions is your homework. Come to the page, question number 5. Write in words and in figures one has been done for you. अब आपने इसमें इन वर्ड्स में और नंबर्स में लिखना है। कैसे? 1 10, look at the first part A, 1 10 and 1 1.